Fatal Trelawny crash involving KNUTSFORD Express Bus has left 1 dead and multiple nursing injuries.
Just fly past me a while ago.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
One person has been confirmed dead and several others hospitalized following a motor vehicle collision between a KNUTSFORD Express bus and a sports utility vehicle in Trelawny on Thursday afternoon. A team of police personnel and firefighters rushed to the scene of the accident along the Rio Bueno main road where the collision took place.
Yeah man, that one just fly past me, that's up on Queens, you know. This just fly past me a while ago. Dead. Yeah, in there, dead. Yeah. Body can't take out to fire now, you can't out.
Reports from the Constabulary Communication Unit (CCU), the police's information arm, are that the crash took place at about 4 p.m. and the sole occupant of the SUV was trapped in the vehicle, which caught fire and was burnt to a shell with the occupant inside.
Fire. Out to fire now. Done. Yeah. Yo! Can you next extinguisher for? No, can I see it? Can I see it? Just fly past the park, you know? What can I carry? I want a RAV 4 just fly past me. We two of them alone in there. One pit in there. The money on the dirt now, so. No extinguisher on the board. Fire come more and more, you know. Nobody has no extinguisher. One, because the fire get worse.
The highway had to be closed with traffic being diverted to the old road through the town of Rio Bueno. The identity of the deceased is yet to be confirmed, but reports are suggesting that she might have been a visitor to the island. Reports indicate that the KNUTSFORD Express bus was traveling towards St. Anne and the SUV in the opposite direction when the collision occurred along the main road. A number of passengers traveling in the bus received multiple injuries and were rushed to the Falmouth Hospital. The Falmouth police are investigating the incident.
I just fly past me.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.